We'll guide you through how to receive money on PayPal. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on PayPal, and so you want to go and receive money. We're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go about this. There are different ways, so make sure this full guide, and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you in order for you to go and receive money. So you may be in the situation of where perhaps a family member or a friend goes and owes you some money, maybe you went out for food and they owe you half or something like that, or perhaps you got and sold something and somebody's trying to go and pay you. So there are different reasons why, but we're going to guide you through this. Probably the most go-to way is to go and send your details to the person who owes you the money. So what you can do is just go and check your details by pressing the gear or cog icon in the top right. This will bring you to your account profile page and you can go into your emails or phone number. Grab one of these and you can then go and tell the person who owes you the money what these are. And then what they can do is go on to their send in request and they can go and type in your information here. Press next. They can then go and type in the amount and they can go and send it to you. Alternatively, what you can do is go and request the money from them. So to do that, you can go to the top and press send in request or press send request to the right here. And you can then go and type in their name, username, email, or mobile. You need to go and get this off them if you don't already have it. I'll go and select a person here, for example. Then what you can do is go and type in the amount they go and owe you. So I can go and type in £10, for example, add a note for what it's for, and you can choose the currency. And then at the bottom, you can go and press request, and you can go and confirm the decision by pressing request now. So then they can go and send you the money that way. And that's going to sort of prompt them a bit more because you're requesting it and they'll go and receive an email and notification regarding it. So that is a good way of receiving money. One of my favorite ways is actually by creating a payment link on PayPal. So what you can do is you can go to a new tab and you want to go and type in the address bar, paypal.me. Come here, and what you can then do is you can go and create your link, share it and start receiving money, split to bill friends or accept payments from customers. So you can press create your paypal.me link and you can go and create a link. So I already have one in this case, but you can go and create one and then you can go and copy it and you can go and send that to people and they can go and send you the money and you can go and receive it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.